natin, Madam Amari. Ang taray naman niya ni Madam Amari. Let's go, Madam Amari. Ha? Ang burnok-burnok ka na naman. Anong burnok ka? Marami ka na inom na gatas, ano?
Ano, malagkit ako.
Okay lang. Wali, let's go. Dini tayo. Nakaluhod ka, nabi ko. Sa church, ha? 8 minutes? Diretso man, yun blue. Ha? Han, maglakad kami. Punta kami sa misa. May mass si Father Leo sa ating mga Olympics player dito sa Paris. So, punta tayo doon. 500 meter pa. Kasama ko si Rina at si Maricar. Tawid kami. Ito na pala yung church. Tingnan natin sa kabila daw tayo dadaan. Tingnan kami sa kabilang side dadaan. Tara, Ali. Ali ba? Saan kaya ang daan, no? Sa kabilang side? Ha? Ang laki-laki ng church, guys. Kasi hindi namin alam ang daan. Sabi ng matanungan ko doon sa kabilang side. So, ikot tayo. Kanya talaga guys. So, imagine hanggang doon. Hanggang dyan. Doon tayo nag-exit. So, pero dito siya sa ano. 12:30 ang misa. So, hindi pa naman tayo late. Sakto lang. Mag-ano ka, magbubuhat ka. Magbubuhat. Ayan. Ang taas. Suka kita, Neng. Akit na kami guys. Ito kami nagmula. Maraming tayo na.
Assister à cette messe, on vous invite de vous installer tout de suite. Mais sinon, on vous invite aussi de garder le silence et le respect de cette célébration de la Sainte Messe. Merci.
Anak po ng Philippine Catholic Mission Paris, maligayang pakikilan po sa pagdiriwang ng ating banal na misa. Ating misa ngayong hapon ito ay pamumuno ng ating Rector, Father Leo Managel. Kasama po ating mga bisitang pari, Father Roger Tondo ng Genova, Italy, Father Vianney Sinias ng La Trinité, Father E.J. Miranda from the Diocese of Cubao, Father David Palaganas from the Diocese of Tacloban.
Sabi nga ako tayo.
Magandang hapon, bonjour. Malingayan pagdating simbahan ng Madeleine. Bienvenue à la Madeleine. Pagpalain kayo ang Diyos. Que Dieu vous bénisse tous. Bienvenue tous la communauté. Je vous accueille au nom de la paroisse de la Madeleine, au nom de monsieur le curé. Monseigneur Chauvet, vous êtes bienvenus à la Madeleine et nous sommes venus pour louer le Seigneur et le remercier pour toutes les grâces que Dieu nous donne, pour tous les autres visiteurs à part de la communauté philippine. Vous êtes bienvenus à la messe. La messe serait en rite latin, valide, mais aujourd'hui ça serait célébré en langue philippine.
Sa ngala ng Ama, at ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo,
Amen.
ang pagpapala ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo, ang pag-ibig ng Diyos Ama, at ang pakikipagkaisa ng Espiritu Santo, naway sumayin niyo.
At sumayin.
Mga kapatid, aminin natin ang ating mga kasalanan upang tayo maging marapat bumanap sa banal na pagdinig. Inaamin ko
Inaamin ko sa makapangyarihan Diyos at sa inyong mga kapatid na lubha akong nagkasala sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa at sa aking pagtulog. Kaya isinasamo ko sa mahal na Birhen Maria sa lahat ng mga anghel at mga banal at sa inyong mga kapatid na ako'y panalangin sa Panginoong ating Diyos.
kawan tayo na makapangyarihang Diyos, Patawarin tayo sa ating mga kasalanan at patnubayan tayo sa buhay na walang hanggan.
Right side, Amen. Sa may bandila.
Kami iyong parangalan upang aming matutuhan ang salitang bumubuhay.
Sumainyo ang Panginoon.
At sumayin,
Ang mabuting balita ng Panginoon ayon kay San Mateo.
papuri sa iyo, Panginoon.
Noong panahon iyon, sinabi ni Jesus sa mga tao, ang paghahari ng Diyos ay katulad din ng
Honorable Juniver Camilo West, Philippine Ambassador to France, and her staff for the Philippine Embassy. Honorable Abraham Tolentino, 24, representing the Philippines. Mga minamahal na mga kababayan, maligayang pagkikilalo sa pagdiriwang nitong espesyal na banal na misa para sa ating mga minamahal na atleta bilang pakikiisa sa programa ng Diocese ng Paris na tinaguriang Holy Games for the conduct of the Olympic Games 2024 here in Paris. Allow me to share a bit of trivia from my research. The year 1924, exactly 100 years ago this year, when Paris hosted the Olympic Games. It was the first time the Philippines participated in the Olympic Games history. The Philippines was the first country in Southeast Asia to join the Olympics. Monsieur David Nepomuceno, a Bicolano, may kababayan Pacuas Albay, was the first Filipino athlete to
compete in the Olympic Games, 100-meter men's and 200-meter men's track and field. Dr. Reginaldo Ilanan, his coach, was considered as the father of the physical education in the Philippines. We honor their memory today and remember them in our holiness. I prepared 3 points for my homily today. The famous motto of the Olympic Games, Citius, Altius, Fortius, 3 Latin words meaning faster, higher, stronger, was coined by the French Dominican friar Louis-Henri Martino, a friend of the founder of the modern Olympic Games, Monsieur Baron Pierre de Coubertin. This motto was first used before the Olympic movement at St. Albert the Great School in Paris, where the Dominican friar was the principal. At St. Albert the Great School, Friar Guido established sports as part of the school's educational program and promoted competition. The motto was used during the first Olympic Congress held in Paris in 1894. I would like to focus my 3-point homily on those 3 Latin words. The first point, Citius, meaning faster. In the sense of being better, not being content with what one has, but that of being more. Prior to my coming to Paris in 2019 to assume the post as rector of the Philippine Catholic Mission in France, I was also a school principal, just like Friar Louis-Henri Guido. I held the post of school administrator of St. Gregory the Great Seminary for 9 years. I always remind my student seminarians of my daily mantra that good is not good when better is expected. Until it became a melody in their ears. Citius, meaning faster, is not just the ability to be ahead of others, but that sense of being better. It refers not to being content with what one has, but that of being more. Saint Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Jesuits, said, to be better in order to serve better, to be men and women for others. Practice makes perfect. I may sound fierce, harsh, cruel, and austere to my students, but they always remember me for that. Some of them are now priests, others enjoying their respective professions in life. And as they look back at their formative years in the seminary, they thank me for pushing them to their limit. Discipline is the key. Whatever does not kill you only makes you stronger. Citius, faster, better. The second point, the second Latin word, fortius. Let me invite you to turn your attention to Saint Sebastian, the patron of athletes. Bakit kaya si Saint Sebastian ang ginawang patron ng mga atleta? Saint Sebastian was a fervent Christian who joined the Roman army, not because he was inclined to the military life, but rather to help persecuted Christians and to evangelize prominent Roman citizens. When the Emperor Diocletian discovered Sebastian was a Christian, he ordered others to shoot him to death. When one of his friends went to recover his body, she discovered that he was still miraculously alive. She nursed him back to health, and instead of running away, he chose to face Diocletian in person and denounce the emperor's persecution of Christians. Diocletian ordered Sebastian to be taken prisoner and then thrown into the sewer. Athletes like to evoke him because of his reputation for being a strong, resilient, and enduring figure. He symbolizes the body of courage, perseverance, and faith, which are also qualities that many athletes strive to embody in their own lives. Last, the third point, the third Latin word, altius, meaning higher. For many athletes, there's also a spiritual side to sports. Spiritual protection can provide a sense of inner peace, emotional stability, and mental strength, which can help them focus on their performance to reach their goals. It helps them to connect with something greater than themselves, to tap into the source of guidance and support, and to cultivate a sense of purpose and meaning in their lives, and bring perspective into their lives as an athlete. Let us all dream bigger and higher. What would be the highest point that can be achieved? Let us not reach only for the stars, but for heaven. Let heaven be our goal. Let heaven be the highest point that we can achieve. Strive for holiness in your daily lives. Saint Vincent de Paul once said, "Our noblest goal is to be able to go to heaven. Our quest does not end here on earth. Our goal is to go to heaven. All else is a sheer waste of time." Amen. Pinaghati-hati niya iyon, iniabot sa kanyang mga alagad at sinabi, "Tanggapin ninyong lahat ito at kanin. Ito ang aking katawan na ihahandog para sa inyo." Gayun din naman ang matapos ang hapunan, hinawakan niya ng kalis. Muli kanyang pinasalamatan. Iniabot niya ang kalis sa kanyang mga alagad at sinabi, "Tanggapin ninyong lahat ito at inumin. Ito ang kalis ng aking dugo, ng bagat walang hanggang tipan. Ang aking dugo ay buhos para sa inyo at para sa lahat, sa ikapagpapatawad ng mga kasalanan. Gawin ninyo ito sa pag-alaala sa akin."
Et souviens-toi de ta miséricorde de tous les défunts, accueille-le dans la lumière de ton visage.
Kaysa ng mahal na Birheng Maria na Ina ng Diyos, kaysa ng mga apostol at ng lahat ng mga banal na namuhay dito sa daigdig ng kalugod-lugod sa iyo, may magdiwang nawa namin ang pagpupuri sa kararangan sa pamamagitan ng iyong anak na aming Panginoong Yesu Cristo.
Sa pamamagitan ni Kristo, kasama niya at sa Kanya, ang lahat ng parangal at papuri ay sa iyo, Diyos Ama.
ambasador.
Medalya tayo. At ang mahalaga, we did it our best dito sa competition na ito. So, magandang hapon sa lahat at suportahan natin ang ating Philippine contingent. Salamat po.
Lagi si
Magsitahin po. Sumainyo ang at pagpalain kayo ng makapangyarihang Diyos, Ama at Anak at Espiritu Santo.
Tapos na natin pagdiriwang, may pinagdaya ko ay mga upang ang Panginoon ay paglingkuran at mahalin.
Salamat sa Diyos.
ang init pa. Kanina pa kami dito. Wala naman.
Nasunog na.
Tapos na yung misa, guys. Ayan.
Mag-picture tayo.
Hello. Shout out. Siya ang ating magaling na gitarista ng Philippine Catholic Mission.
Thank you.
Mabuting pastor.
Shout out na ako dyan, ha?
Yes, shout out. Ang ating talented kababayan na magaling mag-gitara. Siya yung nagigitara sa simbahan, guys.
Kita tayo talaga.
Hello po. Hello, baby. Wow, nasa kapita.
Hello po, ha?
Dito tayo nakatuwa. Mami Tulsyo nga. Ano na to? Step.
Naman din niya. Apil ba din niya ko at ito yung Olympian. Sato nga ito. Olympics sa din.
Ito susunod siya ng Olympics player si swimmer. Si Amari. Sali tayo dun. Tatayo ako din para kita ko. Hi! Hindi na kayo kita dyan. Hi! Umakit talaga ako dito. Ate dito. Dati naman ito. Pahirapan ka na doon. Hindi, sakit ka sa lahat. Kita tayo lahat dyan. Hi! Ay, di ko po alam. Ako po ay nagbibideo. Hi ka sa aking vlog. Hi! Dito kayo. Tapos na yung misa, uwi na kami. Nagpa-picture taking kami sa taas. Tiyak na bidang-bida doon kami ni Amaray. Mataas
Ito na
kami.
yung bata.
Ito na yung batang nainita.
Sige, sir. Thank you.
Ang dami nagsimba, guys. Nakakatuwa. Napuno yung simbahan. Ayan. Ganda pala din. Yun lang. Thank you so much, everyone. We keep going and God bless us all. We love you all, guys.
God bless.
Sis Maricar.
Ingat ang lahat.
Yes, God bless us all, guys. Bye.